To know about the investment plan, we have the interest rate, we have the number of years of investment, and we have the early payments. So we need to find the future value and present value. To know the future value, use equals to FV bracket open. In the bracket it says rate, so select the 8.5% as a rate, comma, then it says yearly payments, so use 20 as a number of payments, comma, and then it says yearly payments, so we select the cell but use negative sign and then select the yearly payments to get the values positively. Then close the bracket and enter, so we get the future value. We use the negative sign to get the positive value. Similarly, we use the present value equals to PV bracket open, it says rate, so again select the 8.5% as a rate, then divide by 12 to get the monthly return, comma, it says number of payments, select the 20, again multiply by 112 to get the monthly payment, comma, and it says yearly payments, so select the yearly payment cell but again use the negative sign before that to get the data positively. Use the negative sign and then enter, so we get the positive values. We get the result. Now we test our formula by changing the interest rate. If I change to 6.8, so you can see the changes in the return. If I change the years to 20, you can see the returns, and if I change the yearly payments, so you can find the changes. This is how you can make the investment decisions.